Hi, my name is Mike Adams and I work here at Ajon Construction. We're a local concrete supplier in Springfield, PA. We're here to service all of your needs. As you can see here, we have our small truck. No bigger than the size of a pickup. It holds 2 yards, which is great for the homeowner or the contractor doing just a small job. We always put on our barrels that no job is too small or too big. As you can see from our giant truck in front of us, which holds 10 yards for any type of large job. We also have a truck in between these, which is a 5-yard barrel, so that we don't have to send a big truck with the heavy weight to your job. We'll send a truck that's according to what you need. Again, this truck here pays for itself. You cannot do any job as a contractor and not save money with this job. It would save money picking it up here from doing a bag system, going to Home Depot and buying pallets of bags, where you would come to our yard and pick up concrete. That saves you money. Getting it delivered in this truck saves you even more money because you don't have to pay somebody to drive here. That's downtime. Then they have to take it back to your job, and then you have to shovel it out of your truck into your form, your footer, your column, whatever you may be pouring. You can imagine what that does to the quality of the concrete driving down the road. Getting the concrete fresh and done exactly to our quality control measurements, which we have here in-house. Myself, as a 15-year veteran in the business, experience in the concrete business and the admix business, we are always checking their quality. So anyone that's doing a small job, this is the way to go. It has all the same stuff as the big truck. It's got the barrel, it's got the water tank, it's got all the controls. The bigger truck, as you can see, that's close to 75,000 pounds when it's loaded. So, we don't send those out to every little job. Again, we have a 5-yarder in the middle, which is just basically half of what you see. Half that barrel, and it's a little bigger cab. So if you get 5 yards, anything more than 2. Again, this is the 2-yard barrel. It is great. Again, I can't stress it. I love this truck to death. It fits almost anywhere you want to put it. So, yeah, we're here for your concrete needs. If you need us, all you have to do is call. We can help you with the measurements. We can help you pick out a mix design that will benefit what you're doing. A sidewalk, a driveway, a basement, a footer. We have concrete mixes in-house that go from 2,500 PSI to 6,000 PSI, and we can design anything higher that you may need. Generally, you're looking at a 3,000, 3,500 PSI mix for around the home kind of stuff. Please feel free to call us. We'll help you 100%. We also have other things available, which we'll talk about later. We have our crushed asphalt. This is a great savings to anyone that is putting down a sub-base versus a modified. A modified concrete or a modified stone coming out of a quarry will run you right around $22 a ton. You come up to our recycled or our crushed asphalt. It's got all the same materials. It packs so much better. It's $5 a ton. Yes, $5 a ton versus 22, and it packs a lot better. We also have crushed concrete. One of the good things about having a yard like this is you're not going to get a hot load from Ajon's. We don't bring a truck back and just dump concrete on top of concrete on top of concrete. We are in a multi-phase business. We have blocks on the other side of our pile. As you can see, that pile right there is waiting to be crushed. We'll turn around and turn to a modified. The left side, the darker side of that pile is the asphalt side. The right side is the concrete side. So when we come back with leftover concrete, again, you don't get the hot load. We pour it on the pile or we make blocks, and then we just take that concrete and make it into a modified. That concrete is $6 a ton versus the 22 and again the 5. Depends what you like. My money says the concrete one packs better, but I've been in concrete for 15 years, so I'm a little prejudiced. We also sell clean stone here. This is the same kind of stone that you get out of the quarries. This stone is a lot better. We use this in the concrete. It is a wash stone from Hampson in Downingtown. It's very, very, very clean. A lot of people come in for that stone. It helps us make a much, much better concrete because it doesn't have the dirty fines to it. In general, cement doesn't like to bond to dirt, so that helps us. Over on the other side over there, we have sand, concrete sand, which you can also buy here. You can pick it up, or we can deliver it. The prices vary depending how far we have to go and how much you get. And again, if you're going to pick it up or if we're going to deliver it. But the concrete sand, it's a 100% PennDOT approved sand, so it's a good sub base. Next to that, you can see we have some blocks here. What I like about these concrete blocks, again, we pour these with our leftovers. You're not going to get a hot load. I can't stress that enough from Ajon. You may get that with other companies because they have nothing to do with their concrete. We have a multi-phase business here, so we're always looking to do something with the leftovers. You look at the blocks, and what you can see, if you look close enough, they have a stone face to them, almost like a stone veneer. So if you're in a business that needs retaining walls like our stone and our sand bins, it looks a little nicer when a customer comes on to your facility and they see that designer block. It's nice. And if you have to put a row of blocks out along the road because snow removal is knocking down your mailbox every winter, it's nice to have that designer block. They come in different sizes as well. We have 6 foot, 4 foot. We have ends, we have caps, so it makes the top of that wall nice and flat. You don't see the hump from the forms. Again, we deliver a lot of stuff here, from all the modifieds to all the clean materials. And again, concrete can be picked up in the yard. If you're that type of contractor, a small guy, you don't need to pay for a delivery to come out to you. You can come to our yard, and we have a meter truck in the front. I calibrate the meter truck, I make the mix designs. The meter truck is exactly like the plant, so if you get concrete from one or the other, you're going to get that strength, you're going to get that quality control. You can come here with your dump truck, we have a scale, you get on a scale, we'll load you up with a yard, 2 yards, whatever you want to get loaded with, and then you can go to your job. But again, I can't stress enough, the little truck is priced so that you won't have to do that. You'll have no downtime, and you'll be getting fresh concrete. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We're here for you 24/7, and we'll help you design a mix or get you a product, a sub base, a clean stone, a clean sand that will make your job the perfect job. I want to thank you for stopping in and seeing our website. My name's Mike. You have a good day.